Hello everyone, it's just a dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this Kidde gas and carbon monoxide alarm. So we can plug this into a wall. We can also set it on a desk because we can take this plug in and there's a little cord. But I'm going to explain all of this so that this is how it comes out of the box. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to pull down on these arrows right here, and then we need to remove this cover. Okay, there's going to be the mounting screws are right in there. Tricky to get out, but there's the mounting screws. It does come with a 9-volt battery. This is for backup. You're supposed to have this plugged in all the time, but if you lose power, it can be temporarily powered by the battery. So let's get the 9-volt battery out. Let's put it in. All right. Then you're going to put the battery like that. Okay. Also, now it has a 7-year lifespan on the unit. So after you initially power it up and put the battery in, you're going to want to put the month and 7 years from today's year, because it's going to beep at you to let you know that it's time to replace. So anyway, now at this point you can simply put this back on. We don't have to use that cord. We can simply just put this back on. Yeah, get it nice and flat and then slide it up. And now I can simply just go plug this into an outlet. But I could mount it to the wall, but I still have to have it plugged in. I'm going to show you. This comes out and you can extend this cord. So pinch these little tabs over and then this cord is going to come out. Now you don't have to do this. This is just for extra mounting purposes. So you're going to pull those and pull that out at the same time. It's a little tricky. There. That cord comes out, and now I can run this. This cord is permanently attached. I can run this cord down. I can put this back on. I could mount this to the wall and have this like below plugged in, or I can put this on right beside my bed. Now the cable is 80 inches long. Again, we're still gonna have to plug this in. So this cable is 80 inches long, sticks out from the wall 1.5 inches by 1.5 inches. So it's like 1.5 inch cube. So then if I want, then I can run this down this little channel right here. Okay. And then I would install, I still need to install this back. This is very, yeah, those grippy things are the front side. Put that ear in, slide that up. Now I can pull these feet out. So if I want this right beside my bed, I can have it sitting here right beside my bed. And then I still need to plug it in. Okay, let's plug it in, and now let's talk about it. So when it's plugged into a power output, you're gonna see the amount of CO2 in the air, it's carbon monoxide in the air. That's a 0. If it's being powered by battery, that display is not going to show unless it's actually having an alarm condition. So here we have it powered up. That display will be on all the time when it's plugged in. Now let's do a test. Press the button one time. We get all 8s. That is really, really loud. That is one of the loudest ones I've ever heard. And it's going to finish the test. It's got all 8s. There. Nope, not yet. Test should be done here in a second. There. Now we're back to 0. Okay, so we're supposed to make sure that this light is blinking. That means it's working normal. Okay, let's read this test because there was a lot going on during that test. When you press the test button, the display shows 3 8s, then shows the word gas while the alarm is sounding 3 short beeps. Then the display shows a number usually around 200. You will then hear 4 quick beeps, followed by 5 seconds of silence, followed by 4 quick beeps, repeating until reset stops. The unit will then show the 3 8s for several seconds, and then it will return to monitoring for CO and gas. And you don't need to press the test button in order for this to show you what the gas level or carbon monoxide. It's going to be showing you that all the time. You're supposed to test this once a week. Okay, so it'll show you a display of carbon monoxide concentration from 30 to 99. You'll get 4 quick beeps, 5 seconds of silence, and it will keep repeating. That's an alarm condition. Okay, so where were we? Yeah, that's an alarm condition. You're supposed to get out of the house immediately and call 911. A steady 0, that's normal AC operation, and it's sensing no CO with a good battery. If you see the words LB, that means you have low battery. You're going to get 1 quick beep every 15 seconds. Error, you're going to get 1 quick beep every 30 seconds. That means it has a malfunction. You need to replace it. Now, say you lose power, you're still going to get an alarm, but the display will be blank, alternating with display of every 60 seconds. Whereas up here, when it's got power, when it's under normal power, when you're plugged in, it's going to be displaying the carbon monoxide all the time. So when it's under battery, it's blank for a little bit, but you're still going to get 4 quick beeps every 5 seconds, repeating every 60 seconds. And then when it says the word end, that's the end of life. 2 quick beeps every 30 seconds. You're supposed to replace it. Now, flashing red dot, that means normal battery only operation. Unit will show reading only if senses CO. So if it's under battery power, you're not going to be seeing a 0. You'll just be seeing the red dot. Plug into AC power as soon as possible. If it displays gas, half a second beep, half a second beep, then silence, repeating. That means the unit has detected gas. And you're supposed to get out of the house and call 911. Okay, I put my headphones on. Let's press the test button again. That's the gas indication. There's the 217 number. Okay, let me explain this test because the first beeps are for gas. Then the second set of beeps, which are beep, 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 that's for carbon monoxide. So I'll try to explain. Press the test button, all 8s. That's a gas detection, gas. So if you hear that, that's a gas. Now you hear the 4 quick beeps, beep, 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 beep. That's carbon monoxide. All right, let's measure this. About 1.75 inches sticks out. Left to right, you're about 4 inches. Up, down, you're about 6.25. Again, I could mount this on the wall. I got 2 things here. That's going to be open if you don't have the plug-in. I've got it plugged in right here to an outlet. So there's none of this opens up. And again, make sure it's 7 years from the date. Again, that is super loud when you test it. This part doesn't come off. Okay. Only this comes out. And just this is probably the hardest part. Sliding that down. Now I could store that cable and put this back in, and I can rotate this. So if I want to plug it in this way, I could rotate that plug, see? And just store all the cord right there. Or the typical way is up, down like that. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.